Hello everyone, welcome to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to create this simple 3D model with the help of its drawing. So let's start our video. First of all, see its drawing. This is the drawing. Note all the dimensions are in millimeter. This total length is 75 millimeter and the width is 52 millimeter. Also, the thickness is 9 millimeter and there are two half circles. The inner circle has a radius of 15 millimeter, so the diameter will be 30 millimeter. And the outer circle has a radius of 15 plus 8, which is equal to 23 millimeter, and the diameter will be twice of the radius, that is 46 millimeter. Also, there is a slot. The thickness of this slot is 9 millimeter, and there is a center line, which means that from the center line to the one side of the slot is 4.5 millimeter and also on the other side 4.5 millimeter, and the remaining distance will be 33 millimeter. See, 33 plus 4.5, which is equal to 37.5, and same on the other side 37.5. So 37.5 plus 37.5, which is equal to 75 millimeter. Also, there is a slot. We will make this by using rip command, and the thickness is 8 millimeter. So we will draw a line in the center and then use rip command and give a thickness of 8 millimeter. So automatically the remaining distance will be 22 millimeter. And 22 plus 8 plus 22 gives us 52 millimeter. So these are the dimensions, and let's start with the tutorial. Go to SolidWorks, open a new part file, click OK. Change the IPS system into MMGS system. Now select the front plane, sketch, and draw a center rectangle. Go to Smart Dimension. This length is 75 millimeter and this length is 9 millimeter. Now draw two circles. See, this is the center point, and drag this center point and draw two circles. Zoom to fit. Now go to Smart Dimension. The outer circle has a diameter of 46 mm and the inner circle has a diameter of 30 mm. Also, from this point to the top of the rectangle is 40 millimeter. Okay, now we want to cut the circle into half. So go to line and draw a horizontal line from the center. Escape. Now go to trim entities and trim like this. Now click OK. Now draw a vertical center line. Escape. Also a vertical line. Now go to mirror entities. Select this line, mirror about this vertical center line. Click OK. Go to Smart Dimension, and from this center line to this vertical line, the distance is 4.5. And 4.5 plus 4.5, which is equal to 9. And see, in the drawing, it is also 9 millimeter. Okay. Now click OK. Trim entities and trim like this. Now click OK. Zoom to fit. Go to features extruded gauze base. Select here mid plane and type here 52 millimeter. Click OK. Now go to rib and select here front plane. Now go to line command and from this top to this top draw a line. Escape. Now exit the sketch and type here 8 millimeter and select this center option. Now click OK. See. Now go to mirror. In the mirror plane, select the right plane and features to mirror, select here rib 1. I have already selected, so click OK. See. Now Control 7. See, this is our final part. Now for the appearance, select the whole part. Go to appearances and select here this pink portion. Drag a little down for the dark color. You can choose any color you want. Now click OK and see, this is our final part. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.